How you can see deleted WhatsApp messages. If somebody sends you a message on WhatsApp, it can delete it very fast. By the time you check the message, you might not find it in your conversation. Check the notification. You see that I receive a message from somebody, but it says this message was deleted. How you can see from the conversation there is no message. First of all, please note that you cannot recover a deleted message from the past. This method will allow you to see the deleted WhatsApp messages from the time you set it up. So let's set up the system and test it. We need for now to install a new app called Notification History. So let's open Play Store. On the search from the top, write Notification History. After you find the app, tap Install and wait until it is installed. Tap on Open. You will get a notification about some of the system settings not being enabled. Tap on Accessibility Service. Now tap on Notification History. Enable use of service. Tap OK. It is possible to ask you your security. For me, it is the PIN. Now go back to the app. Tap now on Notification Access. Switch to On to Notification History. Tap Allow. Now your app is set up to work correctly. Let's see how the system works and see deleted WhatsApp messages. I will send the message from another phone on WhatsApp, and then I will delete it. You see the message. Now I have deleted the message on the other phone. To see the deleted message from WhatsApp, go to the app Notification History. You see now you have 4 notifications on WhatsApp. Tap on WhatsApp. On the first notification, you see the message from WhatsApp. If you tap on the notification, you will see the exact message. This also works with longer messages. Let's check this to be safe. Go back to the home page. You see here a bigger message I have sent. I will also delete this message. You see now the message has been deleted. Now let's go back to the Notification History app. Again, here you will see the exact message you have received. If you tap the notification, you will see the full message. This is how you can see all of the deleted messages from WhatsApp. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.